What if I told you there's a 3-herb stack that can make your brain feel like it's running in high definition? Not a gimmick, this combo is backed by science, used by monks, students, and elite performers. And the best part? You can feel the difference in just one dose. Ginkgo biloba, Gotu Kola, lion's mane mushroom. 3 ancient botanicals, used for centuries in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine, and now supported by modern research. Watch till the end for a simple recipe you can try today, and feel the effects for yourself. Individually, they improve memory, focus, and mental clarity. But together, they form a neural trifecta that's hard to ignore. Let's start with Ginkgo biloba. It's one of the oldest living tree species and has been used for over 1,000 years. Modern studies confirm it increases cerebral blood flow, improves oxygen delivery to the brain, and enhances short-term memory. In fact, a 2010 meta-analysis found that ginkgo consistently improved working memory and attention. People often describe feeling sharper thoughts, quicker recall, and better focus, even in distracting environments. Next is Gotu Kola, often called the herb of enlightenment. Gotu Kola rejuvenates the nervous system, supports collagen production in brain tissue, and boosts cognitive function. Research shows it enhances memory retention, reduces anxiety, and even promotes dendrite growth, the branching connections between neurons. Users report a calm sense of clarity, better spatial awareness, and a more connected mind-body experience. Now add lion's mane mushroom, the brain's natural repair tool. Lion's mane stimulates the release of nerve growth factor, or NGF, a protein responsible for regenerating neurons and repairing pathways in the brain. Studies have shown that lion's mane improves cognitive function in just 4 weeks, even in people with mild cognitive decline. Some call it nature's nootropic. Others say it's the closest thing we have to brain regeneration. But when you combine all 3, ginkgo, Gotu Kola, and lion's mane, the result is next level. Ginkgo boosts blood flow and oxygen. Gotu Kola supports calm memory encoding. Lion's mane builds new neural connections. The synergy creates a state of enhanced clarity, fluid thinking, and deep mental presence. Most users feel the effects within 30 to 45 minutes. Students say it helps them study longer with less fatigue. Gamers report sharper reaction times and better memory recall. Meditators experience deeper stillness and mental awareness. And professionals notice a dramatic increase in focus, creativity, and mental energy. This is one of the rare brain stacks where ancient tradition and modern science agree. And the results aren't just theory, they're something you can feel. So if you want to think clearer, remember faster, and feel mentally alive again, try the ginkgo, Gotu Kola, and lion's mane stack. We've included a simple, powerful recipe in the description, so you can feel the effects just like we described. It's easy to make, totally natural, and you'll know it's working the moment your brain lights up. If you found this helpful and want more powerful recipes that actually work, don't forget to subscribe. We've got more brain-boosting, body-enhancing combos coming your way. Real ingredients, real effects. And trust me, the next one might blow your mind even more.